Hey there, welcome to the channel that's all about helping you become self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content books on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified the moment that I release a new video. Today we're going to tackle a topic that's actually harder than most people realize, and that is how to write a book description. We all know that writing a great book description is essential for driving sales, but how do we actually effectively write one? Well, today you're going to learn exactly how to do that. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the art of writing a book description that's effective, simple, and most importantly, will actually sell your book. With that being said, let's get started. So the question is, how can you write an effective description for your books? Well, here are some guidelines that I like to go by, and I'm going to go through each single one of them. But number one is identify the purpose of the book. Number two is focus on the benefits. Number three, use descriptive language. Number four, include keywords. And number five, keep it concise. Identify the purpose of the book. So what is the book intended for? It's pretty simple, right? Is it a blank notebook for journaling, sketching, drawing, or is it a planner with empty pages for scheduling? Knowing the purpose of your book will help you craft a description that highlights what it's supposed to be used for. Focus on the benefits. So think about the benefits that the book provides the user. So for example, a blank notebook can be used for self-expression, creativity, or productivity. So you want to highlight these benefits in your description. Use descriptive language. Now, you want to use descriptive language so you can create a picture in the reader's mind. You want to describe the cover design, the quality of the paper, maybe the size of the book. This will help the reader imagine what the book looks like and feels like before they even buy the book. Include keywords. Now, even though Amazon doesn't use the description or any words in it to rank your books, it's still important to use keywords that people might search for when looking for a book like yours, because this can often give people validation that your book is in fact what they are looking for. For example, if you're selling a blank notebook for artists, include keywords like sketchbook or drawing pad. And then lastly, you want to keep it concise. You do not want a very long description for your book because no one will ever read it. You want to keep your book description concise and to the point. People don't have the time to read long-winded descriptions, so make sure that you get your point across in just a few sentences. With that being said, I'm going to show you now a few examples of what effective book descriptions look like. So writing a book description is actually pretty easy once you get the format down. Okay, the format generally is the same when it comes to no content, low content, and medium content books. And what you want is in the first part, okay, so for example in the first part of your description, you want to mention your book title, and as well as your target audience. You want to put those two things in the first couple lines of your description. As you can see here, that's exactly what this author did. You can see that it is a hilarious, sarcastic humor gag gift journal. So right away, the customer knows exactly what this book is intended for. And perfect rude humor to show your coworkers how much you care. And you know exactly who they're targeting. So they're targeting people that want to buy a gag gift for their coworkers. That's the first section. The next section of the description, generally you want to put your features of the book, as well as the size and the book description. So for example, this one is 120 pages. And then it says here that it's for notes on the go, tracks appointments, ideas, client notes, etc. It can be used as a planner, notebook, or just a composition book. It has the size 6x9. It's a paperback. It's a paperback notebook, and it has a soft cover. And then it says great size to carry everywhere in your bag. So it kind of gives you an idea And then lastly, so this part right here, usually what I like to do is have a call to action where it says, get your book now, grab a copy today, something like that. Now this description doesn't have that. Instead, it has this line, this no nonsense notebook and journal is a great place to express your thoughts or just to keep lists of to-do tasks. And that's perfectly fine to do, but just keep in mind, what I've noticed is that customers tend to look at the very first part of your description and the very last part of your description. Now, if they're already interested in the book and looking through it, they're gonna read the middle, the meat of it, which that's where you wanna put that anyways. So keep that in mind. That is the structure that I like to stick with, and that's a structure that's been working for me. Now, this next book is very similar to the previous one, but I want you to take notice of what I especially like in comparison to the other one. And what I like especially is this next part where it gives you a lot of the benefits or a lot of descriptive language. So for example, it's great for Christmas gifts to your staff members, right? It's perfect for company meetings or to take notes. It's a great alternative to getting a Christmas card. See, these three things is what sets this, I believe, this description apart from other blank line journal notebooks out there. And I think they did a really great job of trying to reach out and actually talk to the customer than just putting generic words down in the description. And then this one has the call to action at the end. Scroll up now, click the buy button and get yours today and make them happy. So I wanted to show you a book that is just more than a blank line journal. And so this one is a activity book for seniors. And the structure for the description is going to be the same. The first part is always going to be who is it for and what is the book. So as you can see, 101 puzzles, games, and activities for seniors. So what is the book? It's a puzzle book, game book, activity book. Who's it for? For seniors. This fun and relaxing puzzle book is filled with classic brain games intended to stimulate both short-term and long-term memory while still being fun and stress-free at the same time. Very, very descriptive language. The next part, which I especially like, talks about who are the ideal individuals for this book. So here's the list, people that are aging, with failing eyesight, memory loss, etc., etc. And then the next part is the actual activities that are included in the book. Spot the differences, easy word search puzzles, easy mazes, find the intruder, odd one out, shadow matching, etc., etc. And then you have your features, how big is the book, 8.5 by 11 inches. It's large print, and then it has 101 pages of activities with solutions included in the back. So you know that when you buy this book, in the back there are the solutions. And it says sturdy cover with a matte finish, premium paper, and then your call to action. If you love these puzzles and want more at no cost, you'll like the surprise you'll find inside. Get your copy today. So as you can see, the structure is very similar to all of the books that we've seen today. It's just that a little bit more information while still keeping it concise, clear, and effective. There you have it. I hope this video helped you get an idea of how to write an effective description for your low content, medium content, no content books. If you did like this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe and turn those notifications on so you never miss a new video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.